How to use the task agenda. In any business, it's necessary to do follow-ups, to call people, to have meetings, etc., etc. So in our CRM, we have integrated a task scheduler agenda. To enter, you just click here. We have also a button here, so it's identical to enter from here. As you can see, the most important options are right here to enter directly, but you can enter from here too. And it has many features, but the basic stuff is really easy. You can add a task. You can link that task to the contact underneath, so the contact that you're coming from or not. I'm gonna say yes for this time, and later I will say no, so you see the difference. So I'm gonna say link it. Well, the first thing that it does is to put an asterisk and put the name, and also the data. You can see is possible to visualize, for example, the phone numbers and stuff from here, and then you put it, something follow up. Okay, follow up. All right, and we have two dates here. This is the alarm date. In other words, when the program is going to remind you. Okay, and here we have the actual time. So for example, obviously, if you want to go to a meeting, well, you need to be alerted maybe 1-2 hours before, and then you have the actual date. Could be, let's say, same thing today maybe, but it's gonna be 4:15. That will be the actual date, but you're gonna be advised earlier at at 2 or whatever. I'm gonna put a 10, and the reason is so I know that it's overdue already, and so you can classify it what it is, business, birthdays, to call, marketing, whatever it is. It can be recurrent too, so you need to call this person, or you have to meet with this person. You can put it recurrent every week. The next one's gonna be in 7 days, and how many times? Well, could be unlimited, could be any number indeed. Okay, so so now we can go back, and what happens is that this one is red and this one is red. That is because we have something that is due. If it wasn't due, it wouldn't be red. So let's try that for a second. So if this one would be, for example, for tomorrow, it's red here because this one is, you see, it's actually before than the alarm, so it's red. And but this one, because the alarm is in the future, so still it doesn't put this in red or the red here. Another thing, I'm gonna put this one now for today, so it becomes red. So you can add, as I said before, without linking. So you can put whatever, birthday or something, and something is gonna be the 17th, etc. And this one, well, actually this one was business, I meant, and this one could be birthday, for example. And obviously this one could be a birthday for every year, you see. So it suggests this, and let's put it for the next 60 years. So this one is not linked, this one is linked. This one has an asterisk. Also, you should know that the ones with an asterisk are with entries. Okay, so we have today here, and then we have the 17th that we have. So if we want to go to the 17th only, we can go here, and this one will be today. So so days with messages. So this is for future messages, not for today, for obvious reason, because you have it here, and if you have select all of today, or show only those will be this one. You can also hide the calendar or show the calendar if you have a long list. It's possible to hide the calendar, show the calendar, have here when you can move by month or whatever. So for example, let's say that I add one more without linking, but this one I'm going to put it for next month, in 2 months actually, so the 25th. I'm going to put it here, something. I need to do something on 25th, so that will be December 25th. So let's see. You see, so we have an asterisk here, because you have something here. Show all today, so you can go back to today pretty easily, and the rest you can explore. You can print, obviously. You can even import. Probably not a good idea. I mean, unless you know exactly what you want. You can have 4 classifications here, 5 actually. So you can say them just by clicking shift. So if you are usually use business for many things, you can click with the one with shift first to save, and then you click to paste. That will be easier. You have a calculator, help to tell you what it is, etc., etc. But essentially, and you have even a calendar view like this. You see, if you like this type of calendar, that's fine. You have your calendar view, and that's it. So you can choose, I mean, all days view, pretty much selecting everything here, so you see into the future. So all combinations are perfectly possible, and this is the. And another thing important is that if you have, for example, this one that is linked, and you click go, it's gonna go to that record, you see, and selected 1 out of 1. So let me do it again. I'm gonna put myself in someplace else, and I'm gonna go to the agenda. So if you have something, you can see that this one is overdue. Actually, is red. It's a soft red, but you can see there is red. And then you go here, and you go and select that one. Not so if you have if it's not linked. If it's not, oh, sorry. If it's not linked, then it wouldn't do anything. It's not linked to any content. You want to search with the description, so maybe if you had here the name of a contact, well, it will search. It will say no. It will essentially, well, do nothing, because you don't want to go anywhere. You can come back though whenever you want. You have many options: omit, you can delete, etc., etc. But these are the main functionality. Enjoy it.